Hi kids, today we are learning simplification or reduction of fractions. So let's go. Okay, so what we are learning today? We are learning reduce the fraction in the simplest form, also known as simplification of the fraction or reduction of fractions. Before that, just go through this. We have four figures, four fractions. The first is 1 by 2. That means half of the figure is shaded. In the second figure, we have four parts and 2 out of 4 are shaded. So the fraction is 2 by 4. In the third figure, we have 6 parts and 3 out of 6 are shaded. So the shaded fraction is 3 by 6. And in the fourth figure, we have 4 parts out of 8 are shaded. So the shaded fraction is 4 by 8. Now all these fractions are known as the equivalent fraction because they represents the same thing. Why the same thing? Because if we look at all these four figures, half of the figure is shaded. Here in the first one, there are two parts, one is shaded. In the second part, there are four parts and two are shaded. So 2 is half of 4. In the third part, there are 6 parts and 3 are shaded. 3 is a half of 6. And in the fourth part, there are there are 4 parts and 4 out of 8 are shaded. So that is also half. So all these actually is equivalent to are equivalent fractions, and if we have to reduce these fractions, which is 2 by 4, 3 by 6 or 4 by 8, in this case they are equal, they can be reduced into 1 by 2, that is half. The denominator in each of the case is twice the numerator. Got it? So we'll be doing some examples of that. Let's go. Reduce the fraction in the simplest form. So we have 5 by 10. So if we'll say 5 times table, then 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 2 is 10. So the simplest form is 1 by 2. See, in the denominator we have 10, in the numerator we have 5. The denominator is twice the numerator, right? So 5 by 10 is also means 1 by 2. Let's see the next one. We have 8 by 32. So we'll say 8 times table. 8 times 1 is 8 and 8 times 4 is 32. So the fraction we got is 1 by 4. Now 3 by 21. So in the 3 times table, we have 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 7 is 21. So the reduction of the fraction or the simplest form is 1 by 7. Let's see the next one, 4 and 24. So we'll count 4 times table. 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 6 is 24. So this is 1 by 6. Now we have 6 by 30 in the 6 times table. 6 times 1 is 6 and 6 times 5 is 30. So the fraction is 1 over 5. The next one, 2 by 18. 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 9 is 18. So the fraction is 1 by 9. 7 by 21. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. So the fraction is 1 by 3. 8 by 64. So 8 times 8 is 64. So the fraction is 1 by 8. Now you can see again, it's 8 by 64. So 64 is 8 times 8. So the denominator is 8 times the numerator, right? Let's see, 9 times 90. So the denominator is 90, numerator is 9. 9 times 1 is 9 and 9 times 10 is 90. So the fraction is 1 by 10. 15 by 45 in the 15 times table. 15 times 1 is 15 and 15 times 3 is 45. So the fraction is 1 by 3. Now 20 by 100. So 20 times 5 is 100. So it is 1 by 5. Now we have 25 by 100. So 25 times 4 is 100. So the fraction in the simplest form is 1 by 4. Okay. So in these examples, we have discussed all the examples here. If you look at all the examples here, what is a property? That the denominator is a multiple of numerator. In all these cases, the denominator is a multiple of numerator. So easily, and all these cases, if you find, the numerator is 1. But it's not always the case. So we may have to reduce a fraction, like for example, we have 15 by 35. So in this case, if we look, 35 doesn't comes in 15 timetable. So how to reduce these kind of fractions, that we will be discussing in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.